getting ready to run up to the bank, but that was, I think, like a $4,200 one. Probably gonna profit like what 1,300, I think, real close. It'll be over a grand.
Nice.
But that
Good
was,
profit.
yeah, that was free because I'm not even running ads to that brand. It was a
Nice.
Winchester, so darn
Johnny,
safe.
so how did you get started with e-commerce?
Well, I ever since I was just a just a young kid, I kind of knew I wanted to do, I wanted to do something online. I wanted to run an online business, but I didn't know what, I didn't know nothing about it.
Yeah.
So I started by buying courses and wasting money and learning, and then finally I found a decent course, and through that course I met Marcus. They dropped that course. I was actually
All right.
one of
That shit was
Marcus's
crazy.
first students, right?
Yeah.
Then he helped me and just kind of was there for me every step of the way. And through all that, I finally met Trevor, and Trevor kind of guided me and stuff, and started to started to make some sales. But it's been definitely been a long journey.
And it's a forever journey, brother. But
Yeah,
in terms,
it's
yeah. So, but in terms of like, how did your numbers look in the very beginning? Like for me, I started like low ticket drop shipping, and then I made like 200K a month in rev. Then I lost it all because of chargebacks, and then I had to get it back all from like high ticket. What was the timeline of your numbers, and how was your Shopify journey?
well, I started like you said. I got a few orders, but they never, they I lost them because I didn't know what I was doing.
Yeah.
And like I was actually with one course that was actually low ticket, and that that went bye bye because it never worked out for me. And then I actually started getting some orders, and then I was losing more money than I was making. And then actually I got on a few calls with Marcus, and he helped me out, and we just kind of went back and forth. Did quite a few calls here and there, and he really was there for me every step. And helped me, just understand the business model and just kind of how it works, and what the back basically what supports the business, the backbone of the business. And then I went from losing money to making money. So I really appreciate what they did and what they're doing. So it's awesome. I love it.
Nice. So yeah, we started low ticket drop shipping, learned a little bit about high ticket drop shipping from somewhere we're not going to name, and then kind of was just lost in a little bit for high ticket. And definitely want to elaborate a little bit about like, so like we know each other for a very long time, but if we're gonna be honest, I think Trevor deserves a huge recognition because Trevor really helped you bring your store to the moon. He gave extra hours when he didn't need to. Certainly, like I was there as well, but Trevor, in your opinion, if you could elaborate, what did you see? When Johnny came into our coaching program, what were some of the problems, and then how do we just go about to fixing it, and where we're at now and our goals for him long term?
Yeah, so good question. I think the biggest levers that Johnny did was really learning the ads and suppliers. Those were the two big ones. Because before, I remember his store was kind of broad, right? We kind
Yeah.
of reshift the domain, and we got a new domain that's a lot more niche down. So
Mm.
that was like step number one. We niche down the store, and then we also the brands that we tested. We kind of found that because of shipping, a lot of them weren't profitable. So we kind of find a new product angle that we could find more suppliers and get those onto the store. And fast forward 1 to 2 months later, Johnny found a few good suppliers where they're making profits and they were getting a good return on ad spend, and he's able to scale those brands profitably while also testing new brands. So I think in the past few weeks calls with Johnny on the group calls, I think Johnny said to everyone that trust in the process, just get more suppliers, run ads, and you just optimize it. That's really the two things Johnny has been working on, and it doesn't get any more more difficult or crazy than that. He just got more suppliers, better suppliers, got rid of the old ones, and then ran ads. And then right now, what the next move for Johnny is he has sales. We just have to get the back end, corrected, and then we can scale the store to, what are your numbers so far, last month and this month?
So last month we did 38,000 in sales, so $40,000 a month. And then this month, I'm not sure what we did this month. I think it was 4,800 in sales so far. But we actually just earlier today I had a customer call and I sent out an invoice for about 20K. So hopefully that'll be coming in. So that'll run it up to about, I don't know, 20, 30K. And that's only about a week into June. So hopefully we'll be getting close to 50 to 70K by the end of the month.
And Johnny, real quick, for you as an entrepreneur, what do you see yourself in maybe the next 5 years?
For me, I definitely I see myself, I guess, owning, are you talking as far as just business and such?
It's your world, bro. Whatever comes to mind.
So for me, I don't know. I guess I see myself, owning multiple brands, and just building them out. And I'd like to eventually have a few real estate houses. Probably take what I make from my brands and invest some of that into real estate.
Yeah.
And I'm actually in the near future, actually I want to build out another website for these same suppliers, and just just continue to do that. I guess just build websites and build out the brand and continue on.
Yeah. It's a never ending game cycle, whatever you want to call it. But Johnny, last question, and you could be, truth. We have nothing to hide. Do you recommend the Peak Flow coaching program?
Oh, without a doubt, 100%. It's not probably, but it's absolutely one of the best and the only course that I have, found that's this good and has this great a support. And just, I guess, everything in the course, it will show you every single step, from A to Z and back. It's there. And if you have any, if we have any questions, the group is there. The calls are there. It's awesome. I was actually one of Marcus's first students, and actually one of his very, very first one-on-one students, where he actually coached me one-on-one. And then we went from there, and he started building out the course, and it's really good, and it's even getting better. And Trevor's always there for us, no matter what. If we have a question, he's always there to answer it. So it's definitely something to be joining. I've spent multiple thousands of dollars in courses and stuff, and like we said earlier, the one of them, they just dropped us, and didn't give no warning or anything. and was this. We're here, I know Marcus and Trevor and all of us, we're here for the long run. So it ain't like you're going to buy it and you're going to get dropped. So it's definitely worth it to me. And also, I guess, with my life from, growing up, seeing where I come from, the things that, changed, and the people I've met, and just everything. Honestly, I just, give all glory and thanks to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here. And it's truly been a blessing to work with you guys and be in the course, and just everything about it. I love it, and I just really appreciate it, all you guys do.
Thank you, bro. Like,
Thank you for the kind words. It really means a lot.
yeah.
Have you found, like, I know the community is, relatively small, but have you found other people to kind of talk about, the business with? Because business is definitely lonely. Like, it's just a lot of times just yourself working at the computer. Have you found any, other guys inside the program? Have you talked with them, and what's your experience with that?
I haven't too much looked into that. I guess I
Mhm.
haven't. I've talked to a few guys in the chat. I should probably communicate with them a little bit more than I do,
Mhm.
and that's just my own fault, because if you want to chat, you can chat. There's people in there that are going to talk with you, and people that want to learn something, and people that you can talk with and learn from, and so it's definitely good.
Yeah, facts. Like, our mission, is to build a network of high level individuals, like all of us right now. Like, we're working hard towards our goal in pursuit of, a better life, whatever that is we choose. And, part of my goal, and I know Trevor's, is we want to gather as many people, like you, Johnny, like all of us, we just trying to get out of the system. We're trying to find freedom. We're trying to just find something more than what we were told from society. And
Right.
so thank you so
100%.
much for sharing. Thank you so much for sharing your story. I'm sure a lot of people could relate to you. I think we all came, like, something all three of us have in common is we started business, like we took a leap of faith in ourselves into dropshipping. Then we went through it for a mad long time, probably like didn't find the most success. Then we stumbled onto high ticket, and then it's could undoubtedly change all of our lives. I would have never
Yeah.
met neither of you if it wasn't for high ticket, if it wasn't for this business model. I think, for me, I thank God, I thank the universe, I thank everything for having, just a chance to have met both of you. And let's just continue growing together until the next call. Let's see how far we've grown. And if you guys have anything left to say, now's the
Mhm. Yeah.
yeah.
I'm excited because I could definitely see Johnny in 3 to 6 months. We might do another call when he hits 100K a month. That would be a huge milestone to celebrate. Let's keep working, keep grinding, and that's definitely a possibility, Johnny. You have what it takes. I'm here, Marcus is here, community is here to just help you grow.
Awesome, guys. I appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in the future calls. And appreciate everything you guys do, and just good luck to all you guys. And let's continue on.
Awesome.
Let's get it. All right, peace.
Yep.
Peace.
See ya.